Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FindGap, and in today's video I'm going to explain that how to add Google font in Tailwind CSS. So first of all, you can see that I have created a React.js project using Vite. The second step is you need to add Tailwind CSS in your project. If you want to know how you can do that, you can simply open the Google and type here Tailwind CSS, get started. You will see this website installation guide, and then you will land on this page. From here you need to click on framework guides. Because I am using Vite, so I select this one, and from here it provides you the steps that you need to follow to add Tailwind CSS in your project. The next step is we need to find the Google font that we want to add in our project. So first of all, I will again open the Google and search here Google font. From here I will open this website where I can browse Google fonts, and you can see that there is a list of Google fonts available to me. You can also search a specific font, or just for instance I'm going to use this font. So just click on this. It will land you to the Google font detail. From here you can also search the font that you want to choose. Next you have to click on get font. This button is on the top right section here. Just click on this, and from here I will click on get embed code, and from here you can also change the settings, i.e. font weight or something else, but I will remain this as it is, but you can change according to your requirement. The next step is you need to copy these links and paste inside the index.html file of your project. So basically this file exists in the main directory. If you have created your project using Vite, you just need to paste this links inside your head section. So you can see that this was the closing tag of my head section and this was the opening tag, and here I have pasted those three links, these three links. You can see that. Next step is, if you can see that our font family is Dotto, so you need to open the Tailwind config.css, and here inside the key theme you need to type font family, and then as a value you need to provide an object, and here I will name my font like Dotto, and then you need to type here colon, and here in the single quotations I need to provide this font family which is Dotto, so D-O-T-O. Here you need to find your font name, then you will type comma, and here let me type here sans serif. So that's it, we have done with this. And now for example, if I want to use this font, simply I will open app.tsx, and here I will type font hyphen and Dotto. So this is the text that we have defined inside our tailwind.config.css here. Now I will open the terminal so I can run my application. I will type here npm run dev, and you can see that the font is applied to our this h1 heading. If I remove this font from here and refresh, you can see that the font is gone, but if I again type this class, so you can see that the font is come again. So we have defined our font in our Tailwind config.css. It means that we can use it multiple places in our project. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try to answer your question, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.